Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other website. You can earn Litecoin from that website and you can earn much more than $2,000 every claim you claim in that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link you will find in description. First, you can here just click sign up. You can sign up yourself in here, put your email, password, Litecoin wallet address and referral link. You click sign up, you can sign up, and right now I'm going to log in my account to show you how you can earn from this website. Okay, every 1 hour you can come here, claim your coin. Any number you found, you can earn your coin from here. Okay, it's very easy. Just solve a capture and click a roll number. You can roll it and you can earn. Okay, right now I click search, verify, and click roll it. I found a number. Okay, I earn this much Litecoin. My number is 103 and between of this. Okay, if your number reach it, you can earn much more from this website, and you can multiple your earning. Just going to multiple, and you can increase by beating the percent. Okay, and the percent in lose, and you can max beat to this much number of rolls of this match, and you can just click start. You can start your beating, losing, winning. Right now I'm losing. Okay, and that's all. You can increase it and you can maybe earn much more from this website. Okay, and another thing is here you can invest your Litecoin in here, and yearly you found this much Litecoin from this website. And another thing is lottery. You can buy lottery ticket to participate the competition. This is my number of ticket. I buy this much ticket. Okay, and this is the total ticket and invest in this website. Okay, I buy this much ticket, and you can see this is the first number of global lottery is 30 last 3 rounds. This person buy this much tickets. Okay, this is very high, and a lot of people come here join this website to win this much amount. Okay, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and you can refer other friends, or you can refer yourself. If you have a lot of Gmail account, you can refer yourself. Okay, this website link in description. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.